What's good, guys? It is WavySpice here, and today I'm coming to you guys with a brand new video that I'm super excited about. As always, I am going to be reviewing the new e.l.f. Cosmetics CC cream, which it looks so pretty. I'm so excited that I got to try it out and that I actually like the color match. But before we get too deep in the video, if you're new to my channel, definitely want to welcome you to my channel. Join the Spice Gang and become a Spice Girl. We have a whole lot of fun over here. I make content on beauty, fashion, and NYC living / lifestyle. I do also have other social media links. I will have my Instagram and my TikTok linked below. Okay, so the product that we're going to be reviewing today is going to be the e.l.f. Cosmetics Camo CC cream. If you guys didn't know, a CC cream is like, it's kind of like a BB cream, but it has like all these different really good skincare benefits within it. So it's medium to full coverage, and it claims to be color correcting, as well as it has SPF within it. It has actually SPF 30, so of course that protects against sun damage, and it also of course has the skincare benefits that I talked about. It actually has something called collagen, peptides, and niacinamide in it, and it's supposed to be infused with hydrating and youth boosting ingredients that improve your skin texture and tone. And it's also a guaranteed shade match. It's also a shade match guarantee that allows you to buy with confidence. I just kind of guessed, and I decided to go with the shade Deep 560C. And as you can see, it's really pretty. It matches really good. It looks extremely natural. I'm super happy with the way my makeup looks, and I really hadn't been like loving my foundation lately, but this looks really good, so I'm really happy with it. It's also 100% vegan. It also is about $14, and it has, looks like about 20 different shades that you can choose from. And they also have different undertones, so they have cool, neutral, and warm, and I actually got the C, which stands for cool. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna show you guys how I apply the foundation. I also use a bunch of new products. So on the eyes, I used a brand new palette. I have on like the Fenty cream lip gloss as well. So yeah, if you guys want to see product details and how I apply everything, then definitely just continue watching. I am also going to come back and show you guys what it looks like, because I'm actually headed out, and I'll show you guys how it wears with like the mask and everything, and how it looks when I get back later on today. Okay, so what's good, y'all? I already put on my eyebrows, and like I've done my like skincare routine, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and get into my face. I'm gonna start off with the Milk Makeup Primer. So what have you guys been up to? I feel like I haven't made a video in well, I've made videos, but I haven't made like a vlog, so I haven't really gotten to like talk to you guys. So how are you guys? I'm doing pretty good. Work's actually going good. My ghetto work chronicles, I'm gonna do some more of those, because y'all know I go through it every day at my job. But my job is actually getting way better. Just to start getting them bonus checks, you know what I'm saying? And then I also want an iPad, so I can't wait to start using that. Hasn't gotten here yet. Ooh, I love this primer. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the e.l.f. Camo CC cream, and I am in the color Deep 560C. I hope this is the right color, y'all, because I just found it online, so hopefully it's the right color. Okay, it looks like a good match. Okay, the pump is tripping a little bit. The pump, okay, it only pumped out like 2. I feel like I'm gonna need it more than this. Okay. Alright, cool. And this is how much I got. This is what the shade looks like. Hopefully it looks good. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply it with this Real Techniques buffing brush. And I've never tried a CC cream, so this is gonna be new for me. Hopefully I like it. It seems like it'll be something that'll be really good for the summer, probably. I don't know. But with this mask situation, I hope it works well still. It's actually really nice coverage. It is very red, but I'm not gonna lie, I don't mind when my foundations are on the more red side. So that doesn't bother me too much. I love that I didn't go too light. I like that it's dark. Doing one more pump. I already hit like 3 pumps. But since I'm using a brush, I feel like it takes away a lot of the product. Okay. But yeah, work's been going good. Life's been going pretty good as well. I can't really complain. The first week of January has been pretty good so far though, so. Okay. Okay. Well, this isn't all applied. It looks really nice. I really like it. It looks so natural. Like, I feel like I could really just wear this and this would be like really like cute and like put together, but not like doing too much. If you had a lash especially, I have a little bit more on my hand, so I'm gonna take a little bit more. I really love the color though. The color match is like really good. And usually I don't like a e.l.f. color match too much, but I did really good with this and it just looks nice and dewy. So now I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow concealer. Just wanted to keep it super drugstore, and this is one of like my favorite concealers. I feel like the year is just, I mean, time just goes by so quickly. I mean, it's already the first week in January is done. I'm supposed to be going over to my friend Nikki's house tonight. I'm gonna let this dry a little bit actually before I start blending it out so that it actually blends well and it doesn't like disintegrate on my face. But yeah, I'm super excited because I got me a Tilfeezy today. I ordered that and it came in the mail today, so I'm super excited about it. So I'm gonna do an unboxing for that. So that'll be the next video that I upload probably. I haven't done an unboxing in like so long. Truly. I really never recorded from this angle before, but I think I really like it. Okay, so we're just gonna blend this out. I'm just tapping. I feel like this brush is like absorbing all of the product, honestly. Oh, and I'm setting right now with the Laura Mercier powder. Just doing a little light little set. Obviously this powder is pretty much out, but nothing really beats the Laura Mercier powder. I kind of like the Maybelline one, but it's been coming out powdery on me lately, so I haven't been loving it too much. But here's what it looks like with the concealer. It looks so pretty and natural. I really enjoy the way that this looks. Like, I'm really liking this. Really liking it. It's just so natural. I'm gonna go back and do my nose contour. I mean my nose highlight. Okay. Let this sit for a minute and get tacky. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do my bronzer, and I'm using a Fenty Beauty bronzer. And you know, I really don't know what I think about it, y'all. I've been using it though in the shade Mocha Mommy. I might like it better with this foundation, but I haven't been liking it too much. I feel like it's just a little too red maybe, or something, but maybe it'll look cute with this foundation. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my nose. I want to be a little precise with my nose contour today. So I'm gonna use this eyeshadow brush. And run it down the side of my nose. Go up that way. And then run it down that side. And go up that way. Then I'm gonna get this off. I'm gonna get any product off of the brush and try to blend it so it's not too harsh. Because I feel like I've been doing my nose contour a little bit harsh lately and it could use some work. So yeah. Okay. So yeah, my base looks really good. It's extremely natural, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do like a little cute little natural makeup look. I'm gonna use this new palette that I got. It's a Too Faced Mariale palette. And it's like a red, like pinkish base palette. Very cute, very neutral colors. I think it's really cute for, you know, dark skinned women. Like my friend did a really good job of picking this out because I got this for Christmas. So I'm gonna start by going in with this transition shade in the shade Chica. And I'm gonna just use a large blending brush. Do the same thing on this side. Again, this is the color Chica. Okay, and I'm actually gonna cut my crease today. I feel like I haven't done a cut crease in a minute. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little cut crease action. Okay. Gonna try to duplicate the same exact look on this eye. Okay, they're a little bit different, but like I definitely like this cut crease better than this one, but we gonna make it work, child. We gonna make it work. How about I just... Okay, and next I'm gonna go in with, I want to use like a really sparkly shade. I think I'm gonna use this shade Santa Monica. This shade Santa Monica. And now I'm gonna go in with this color Senorita, which is like a matte pink. Okay. And now I'm gonna just deepen up the crease just a little bit with the shade Hot and Spicy. Perfect. Soup's cute or whatever. I really like this makeup. Wow. Okay. Am I gonna do a liner today? Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do a liner. I'm just using my e.l.f. liner. Perfect. So this is the eyeliner. And now I'm going with my new mascara. It's the Lancôme Monsieur Big. I'm gonna put a nice thick coat of that. This lash brush is like so nice. I still need a lash, child. I thought I was gonna try to go no lash, but I need a lash, baby. This mascara is really nice. And it's like super black, which I really like. For my lips. Oh no, I want to show you guys blush. I'm going to try to give this blush palette a chance again. I really don't like this crayon case blush palette. But I'm going to try to give it another chance. Like, I just really don't like it. I don't like any of these colors. Like, okay, I'm gonna try this shade right here. Okay, and you have to go like really light with it. Okay, doesn't look too bad. Okay. Alright, so I'm about to use Night Moth as my lip liner.
But something else had investigators stumped. The prosecutor who flew in on the 27th described the tent that the tent had openings. And they searched the tent for a bomb test, and it was found out that it was good from inside with at least 2 knives.
And I'm gonna top it off with my new favorite lip gloss, which is the Fenty Cream in the shade Mauve Wives. This color is so pretty. Okay guys, so this is me. My lipstick came off obviously, but this is me after like a long night of talking, drinking with friends and stuff. And I really don't think my foundation looks bad. Like, it didn't really come off my face. Like, a little. My lipstick looks bad, yes. But if we covered that up and my nails were done and I had my lashes on. I took my lashes off on accident. But, like, I feel like my foundation still looks... I really like this foundation, y'all. Oh, my God. Like, e.l.f. did what needed to be done, baby. Like, I love it. Here for it, so... yeah, guys, just want to check in, show you guys how it ended out. Definitely want to take my makeup off and go to sleep and heat me up some food because I made some penne alla vodka last night and it's so good. Y'all already know. Second day pasta is like, But yeah, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.